The latest Minimax H3 video model with native audio support is here, and it's a significant improvement over LTX 2.3. Minimax H3 is currently only available through the Minimax API, and I generated all of these clips using an API key. So, full disclaimer, the results may change when the model runs on consumer hardware using quantized weights. If my API tests are representative, H3 appears to solve one of the most frustrating limitations of LTX 2.3, fast-paced, high-octane action scenes. However, when the action becomes too fast, fine details, especially facial features, can still fall apart. I intentionally chose prompts that are extremely difficult for AI video models to handle because I wanted to push H3 hard and properly stress test it. So these results do not mean the model performs poorly across the board. Now here's the best part. Low VRAM systems with at least 32 gigabytes of system RAM will be able to run this model. That's huge. Now take a look at these 10-second clips as well.
Then watch this!
Maya, the barrel is closing.
Then watch this!
Bridge collapse in 8 seconds.
Hold her steady. I'm going in.
Bridge collapse in 8 seconds. Hold her steady, I'm going in.
You should have walked away.
You first.
You should have walked away.
You first.
Minimax has officially launched H3, a general-purpose multimodal generation model designed to understand text, images, video, and audio within one unified context. It can generate videos up to 15 seconds long at 2K resolution, complete with native stereo sound. According to Minimax, early testing shows strong instruction following, accurate text and brand rendering, and video-to-video motion transfer. The model is powered by several new technologies, including Contextual Omni Representation, H3 VAE, the H3-Omni Transformer, and in-context Regeneration. Most importantly, Minimax plans to release the model weights in the coming days, subject to applicable laws and regulations.
I kept thinking I'd missed your train.
You didn't.
Are you really all right?
Not yet. But I'm home.
I kept thinking I'd missed your train.
You didn't.
Are you really all right?
Not yet. But I'm home.
You sold the house?
I signed the papers this morning.
You didn't even call me.
He called. I told him not to.
You sold the house?
I signed the papers this morning.
You didn't even call me.
He called. I told him not to.
You missed your flight.
On purpose.
That's a very expensive apology.
Did it work?
Ask me tomorrow.
You missed your flight.
On purpose.
That's a very expensive apology.
Did it work?
Ask me tomorrow.
H3's design philosophy is centered on breaking down the boundaries between individual generation tasks and moving away from specialized models toward a single, general-purpose creative system. H3 was therefore pre-trained across text-to-image, text-to-video, text-to-audio, native multi-shot generation, native stereo audio, and several forms of reference-based generation and editing. Voices, music, and sound effects are modeled together rather than being treated as isolated systems. References and editing instructions are also expressed through natural language and trained using real, natural data instead of being limited to a small collection of predefined tasks. The model is a significant improvement over models such as LTX 2.3, but as you may have noticed, it still has plenty of limitations. Some of these clips clearly reveal those weaknesses. H3 still cannot match the overall quality of some of the leading cloud-based models, although that is completely understandable for a model intended for an open-weight release that runs on consumer hardware. Minimax also acknowledges that H3 still has considerable room for improvement. Its first priority is stronger multimodal understanding, with future H-series models expected to integrate capabilities developed for the company's M-series models. The second priority is scaling. Minimax believes that a larger model, combined with stronger task generalization, will unlock more of H3's potential. Finally, the company wants to improve visual detail in more challenging scenarios while continuing to pursue higher resolutions and greater visual fidelity. H3 is therefore being presented as the foundation for a much broader and more capable generation system. Let me know what you think about this soon-to-be-released model in the comments. Once the open model weights are released, I'll be back with 8 GB VRAM optimized comfyui workflows. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. See you soon.
Don't turn around. I'm still at the car.
Then who's behind me?
Don't turn around. I'm still at the car.
Then who's behind me?